Luxe Color Changing Foundation markets itself as a clever no-fuss solution that instantly adapts to your skin tone and promises light to medium buildable coverage with long wear. But the real experience is mixed and best approached with measured expectations. The Amazon listing shows a strong presence, a mid-range price point, and many positive verified reviews praising a neutral, dewy finish and surprising color matching for some users. Yet some listing also contains a notable share of complaints without shade mismatch, tubes that feel underfilled, and coverage that's lighter than advertised, which suggests the formula can work well for certain skin types and ages but is not truly universal. In practice, the product's color changing gimmick can simplify shade choice for casual wear and quick routines, and many users with mature or normal skin report flattering, non cakey results, but deeper tones, very fair complexions, and people needing full coverage often finds it falls short or shifts orange or ashy on them. So, if you're curious, buy one tube from a reputable retailer. You can just buy directly here on Amazon, test it in natural light, and don't rely on it for heavy coverage needs. It's a legitimate product with real fans, not a scam, but it's also not a universal miracle.